Hey guys, so I just brush my teeth. This is my night routine list. Just comment what is your night routine list now. So I brush my teeth. I did not wear a bonnet tonight, no, because I don't want to. And I um and then I got in my pajamas. Around my mouth is like dry with cracks in because it's winter. And I've winter lips and literally I'm wearing some cozy stuff, that I usually don't even want to wear, but I have to because it's want. I feel like it, and then I don't feel like it. Like you know, okay. So then I okay. I already brushed my teeth. I did not wear my bonnet, and I got dressed and I washed my face. So like, subscribe if you do have a night routine list now, and comment what is your night routine because I really want to know, because I just want to do it because maybe it sounds good or not good. So yes, but if mine sounds good, like and subscribe and comment and share with your friends. Bye.